What are NFTs? There's nothing like an explosion of blockchain news to lead you thinking, what's going on here? That's the feeling you may have experienced while reading about Grimes getting millions of dollars for NFTs, or about 𝐤𝐸𝐤𝐞 being sold as one. And by the time we all thought we sort of knew what the deal was, the founder of Twitter put an autographed tweet up for sale as an NFT. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Are you looking for a side hustle? Some passive income? To get started as a freelancer? Or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips and informative content for your money-making journey. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. If you want to know what an NFT is, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about NFTs in 2022. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. What is an NFT? What does NFT stand for? Non-fungible token. Right, sorry. Non-fungible more or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. For example, a Bitcoin is fungible. Trade one for another Bitcoin, and you'll have exactly the same thing. A one-of-a-kind trading card, however, is non-fungible. If you traded it for a different card, you'd have something completely different. You gave up a Squirtle, and got a 1909 T206 Honus Wagner, which Stadium Talk calls the Mona Lisa of baseball cards. We'll take their word for it. How do NFTs work? At a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but its blockchain also supports these NFTs, which store extra information that makes them work differently from, say, an ETH coin. It is worth noting that other blockchains can implement their own versions of NFTs. Some already have. What's worth picking up at the NFT supermarket? NFTs can really be anything digital, such as drawings, music, your brain downloaded and turned into an AI, but a lot of the current excitement is around using the tech to sell digital art. Do people really think this will become like art collecting? We're sure some people really hope so, like whoever paid almost $390,000 for a 50-second video by Grimes, or the person who paid $6.6 million for a video by Beeple. But NFTs are designed to give you something that can't be copied: ownership of the work, though the artist can still retain the copyright and reproduction rights, just like with physical artwork. To put it in terms of physical art collecting, anyone can buy a Monet print. But only one person can own the original. Penguin communities? Right so. People have long built communities based on things they own, and now it's happening with NFTs. One community that's been exceedingly popular revolves around a collection of NFTs called Pudgy Penguins, but it's not the only community built up around the tokens. It could be argued that one of the earliest NFT projects, CryptoPunks, has a community around it, and there are other animal-themed projects like the Bored Ape Yacht Club that have their own clique. Of course, the communal activities depend on the community. For Pudgy Penguin or Bored Ape owners, it seems to involve vibing and sharing memes on Discord, or complimenting each other on their Pudgy Penguin Twitter avatars. What's the point of NFTs? That really depends on whether you're an artist or a buyer. I'm an artist. First off, we're proud of you. Way to go. You might be interested in NFTs, because it gives you a way to sell work that there otherwise might not be much of a market for. If you come up with a really cool digital sticker idea, what are you going to do? Sell it on the iMessage App Store? No way. Also, NFTs have a feature that you can enable that will pay you a percentage every time the NFT is sold or changes hands, making sure that if your work gets super popular and balloons in value, you'll see some of that benefit. I'm a buyer. One of the obvious benefits of buying art is it lets you financially support artists you like, and that's true with NFTs, which are way trendier than Telegram stickers. Buying an NFT also usually gets you some basic usage rights, like being able to post the image online or set it as your profile picture. Plus, of course, there are bragging rights that you own the art, with a blockchain entry to back it up. No, I meant I'm a collector. Ah, okay, yes. NFTs can work like any other speculative asset, where you buy it and hope that the value of it goes up one day, so you can sell it for a profit. We feel kind of dirty for talking about that though. So every NFT is unique? In the boring, technical sense that every NFT is a unique token on the blockchain. But while it could be like a Van Gogh, where there's only one definitive actual version, it could also be like a trading card, where there's 50 or hundreds of numbered copies of the same artwork. Who would pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for what basically amounts to a trading card? Well, that's part of what makes NFTs so messy. Some people treat them like they're the future of fine art collecting, and some people treat them like Pokemon cards, where they're accessible to normal people, but also a playground for the mega-rich. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about what NFTs are. Do any of you guys want to own some NFTs of your very own? Get involved, and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.